The story goes that Alexander the Great made 3 wishes just before he died. "I have 3 wishes," he said. "First, I want only my doctors to carry my coffin. Second, the road to the grave has to be covered with gold, silver, and precious stones. Third, my hands should be dangling out of the coffin." The generals were shocked at these strange wishes. "We will fulfill your wishes, O king, but tell us, what is the meaning of these wishes?" they asked. Alexander said, "I want the doctors to carry my coffin to show to the world that in the face of death, even the best doctors are powerless. I want the road to be strewn with wealth to show that none of my wealth will come with me. I'm going to leave behind all the wealth I have worked so hard to get. And I want my hands to dangle so people know I came into this world empty-handed, and that is how I will go."